Easy BBQ Chatni. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making easy and yummy BBQ chutney. Imli tamarin 200 grams. Soaked 15 minutes. 1 bunch of coriander. You should definitely try this sauce. It goes great with barbecue as well as with every kebab item. Half bunch of mint. Don't forget to subscribe, like to our channel for easy recipes. Subscribe. 2 pods of garlic. 2 green chilies. 1 tomato. And be sure to express your opinion in the comments about which sauce you like. We will blend the items evenly, adding spices later. Pulp of imli. Half tablespoon roasted cumin and coriander. 1 teaspoon of red chilies flakes. Half teaspoon black pepper. Salt as taste. Alhamdulillah, final done.